students. Question first. Clinical Research Institute situated at options are Lucknow, Kolkata, Chennai, Kasauli. Correct option is Kasauli. The chairman of Hathi committee was correct option is Jaisukh LH. Question number 3. Loan license can be granted only for the drugs. Options are other than those specified in Schedule X, specified in Schedule X, specified in Schedule C and C1. But the correct answer is other than those specified in Schedule C and C1. Next question. In India, the musical work is protected until options are 40 years after death of author, author's life plus 60 years, 25 years after death of author, but the correct answer is 60 years. Question number 5. Regulation describing the minimum standards open education required for qualification as a pharmacist is called as. Options are education regulation and prescribe, education prescribe and none, but the correct answer is education regulation, in which the qualification of pharmacist which is standardized by education regulation system. Question number 6. Animal Welfare Board of India is established in 1962 under the section 4, which is correct answer. Question number 7. Headquarters of World Intellectual Property Organization is at Chennai, Tokyo, New York, Geneva, but the correct answer is Geneva. Headquarters of Intellectual Property Organization is located at Geneva. Question number 8. CDTL situated at options are Kasauli, Lucknow, Kolkata and Chennai, but the correct answer is Chennai. CDTL means Central Drug Testing Laboratory, which is located at Chennai. Question number 9. The Pharmacy Council of India is constituted by options are Legislative Assembly, all Parliament Minister, State Government and Central Government, but the correct answer is Central Government. Question number 10. The Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act passed in 1954, 1975, 1945, but the correct answer is 1985. Question number 11. Pharmacy Act established in 1952, 1999, 1940, but the correct answer is 1948. In which year Pharmacy Act was established? Question number 12. Schedule O deals with standards for cosmetics, standards for surgical dressings, standards for umbilical tapes, but the correct answer is standards for disinfectant. For disinfectant drug, Schedule O is there. For a standardization of cosmetic preparation, there is a Schedule S. For surgical dressing, there is a Schedule F2, and for umbilical tapes, there is a Schedule F3. 13 question number. Dash dash excluded from the scope of patentability. Options are biological material, life forms, atomic energy, and all of the above. All of the above means biological material, atomic energy, life forms are excluded from the patent grant. Question number 14. Form of the following which committee was headed by Dr. A.L. Mudaliar? Options are Health Survey and Planning Committee, Bohr Committee, Drop Consultative Committee, none. But the correct answer is Health Survey and Planning Committee. Question number 15. The Office for Registration of Geographical Indication is located at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, but the correct answer is Chennai. There is a registration of geographical indication is located. Question number 16. License issue for bonded and non-bonded laboratory by central government, state government, director of health services, but the correct answer is excise commissioner, in which there is a bonded and non-bonded laboratory license are granted. Question number 17. When the state pharmacy council are required to supply copies of their register, correct answer is 1 January. Question number 18. List of substances required to be used in medical supervision refers to. Correct answer is Schedule H, in which correct answer is Schedule G, in which there is a medical supervision is needed for administration of drugs or medicinal substances. In Schedule H, other options are Schedule H, in which prescription drugs are included. In Schedule K, there is a exempted drugs are included, means there is a one specific labeling condition such as not for medicinal use. In Schedule M, there is a good manufacturing practices. Question number 19. World patented valid through 10 countries, 9 countries, 8 countries, 12 countries, but the correct answer is 10 countries. Question number 20. As per Drugs and Cosmetic Act, the Schedule F is related with. The Schedule F is related with options are parenteral preparation, ointment, skin cosmetic preparation, but the correct answer is ophthalmic preparation. Ophthalmic drugs and their preparation are included in Schedule F specifically. Question number 21. The Essential Commodities Act was passed in 1955 is the correct answer. Question number 22. DTAB means in D&C Act 1940 means simply the full form of DTAB. Correct answer is Drug Technical Advisory Board. Question number 23. Drugs and Magic Remedy Act was passed in. Correct answer is 1954. Question number 24. The elected member of PCI, 6 members are elected by Central Council. Question number 25. Every patent will be valid for dash years from the date of filing of application. Correct answer is 20 years. Up to 20 years the patent or new drug development or patent was granted. Question number 26. Drug Price Control Order enacted in means Drug Price Control Act was established in 1995 is the correct answer. Question number 27. Which was the first Indian product to get the geographical indication tag? Correct answer is Darjeeling tea. Question number 28. Member of the DTAB is elected by the governing body of Indian Council of Medical Research means ICMR, which is pharmacologist is the member which is elected by governing body of ICMR. Question number 29. What is the time limit to get the information under RTI Act 2005? Correct answer is within the 30 days. RTI Act means Right to Information Act 2005. There is a 30 days time limit for information. Question number 30. Standards for cosmetic comes under Schedule. Correct answer is Schedule S. Other options are in Schedule R there is a regulation of mechanical contraceptives. Schedule R1 there is a medical devices Competitive Bureau of Indian Standardization. In Schedule O there is a regulation standardization for disinfectant products. Question number 31. List of the poisonous substances come under the schedules. In Schedule E1, there is a list of various poisonous substances. Other options are in Schedule F1, there is a vaccines and antisera. In Schedule C1, there is a other special product, that is vitamin, hormones or got adrenaline preparation. In Schedule R1, there is a medical devices conform to Indian standardization. Question number 32. A syrup was claiming 120 ml but actually found 100 ml. This drug will come under which category? Adulterated, misbranded, spurious, both A and C. But the correct answer is misbranded. Question number 33. A vaccine formulation was detected with toxic substances. So this drug will come under which category? Misbranded, adulterated, spurious, all. Correct answer is adulterated. There is a finding of some or detected some toxic substances in the formulation. So the drug category is adulterated drug. Question number 34. Which of the following drugs are also called as counterfeit drug? Options are misbranded, adulterated, spurious and all, but the correct answer is spurious drug, which is also called as counterfeit drug.